When love speaks, it whispers promises. But what happens when the promises cracks?
Just got love going on in your head.
You have to calm down. It's fucking messing with your mental health.
Love crack. A tale of love, heartache, and betrayal that will leave you breathless. Catch the premiere. Feel the story, cause even the strongest heart can shatter.
Yagi!
On the 10th of August, the story, where passion meets pain.
You don't catch your boy, so.
But now you tell me say go clear now. What's going to happen?
Venue, Lekki White City Lounge, beside Mayfair Garden, Awuyaya, Lekki, Lagos.
Real CBM TV will be live at the red carpet to bring you all the action moments. Mark your calendar, save the date, see you at the red carpet.
I will give you sleeping tablets. They will make you sleep forever.